What's up, everybody? Does your old BMW have shitty, sticky, gummy, nasty, rotting door handles like mine does? Well, boy, do I got the easiest, cheapest, simplest way to replace them. Hey, look guys, another product from this car's favorite manufacturer. Guys, if you're like me and you think that this is like a stupid thing to have to like pull your door apart to fix, don't be stupid. Just buy these things. They literally cover it up and they feel OEM once you do. Alright, let's go. You just take one of these bad boys like so. No more bullshit. No more mess. No more sticky, nasty, black tar on your hands. It was that easy. Now that might be one of the shortest yet most valuable how-tos in BMW DIY history. Guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Like and subscribe.